Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are delving into the crucial aspect of roles and responsibilities in risk management as defined by ISO 31000. Understanding who plays what role in the risk management process is essential for effective coordination, accountability, and ultimately successful risk mitigation. In ISO 31000, roles and responsibilities are clearly defined to ensure that all aspects of risk management are adequately addressed and managed within an organization. Let's explore these roles in detail. The risk management team. The risk management team comprises individuals responsible for overseeing the risk management process within the organization. This team typically includes risk managers, individuals responsible for developing, implementing, and monitoring the organization's risk management framework. Risk owners, individuals who have the primary responsibility for managing specific risks within their area of expertise or operational responsibility. Risk champions, advocates for risk management within the organization, promoting a risk-aware culture and facilitating communication between stakeholders. Senior management. Senior management plays a crucial role in driving the risk management agenda and providing strategic direction. Their responsibilities include establishing the organization's risk appetite and tolerance levels to guide decision-making and resource allocation, providing the necessary resources including budget, personnel, and technology to support effective risk management initiatives. Monitoring key risk indicators and ensuring that risk management processes are effective and aligned with organizational objectives. Operational management. Operational managers are responsible for implementing risk management practices within their respective departments or functions. Their responsibilities include identifying and assessing risks relevant to their operational activities, processes, or projects, implementing controls and mitigation measures to manage identified risks effectively, reporting significant risks to senior management and escalating issues that require their attention or intervention. Individual employees. Every employee within the organization has a role to play in risk management. Their responsibilities include being aware of potential risks associated with their roles and activities and reporting any concerns or observations to relevant stakeholders. Adhering to organizational policies, procedures, and guidelines related to risk management and compliance with relevant regulations. In conclusion, roles and responsibilities in risk management are crucial for ensuring accountability, transparency, and effectiveness in managing organizational risks. By clearly defining these roles and empowering individuals to fulfill their responsibilities, organizations can build a robust risk management culture and enhance their resilience in the face of uncertainty. Thank you for your attention. I hope this topic has provided valuable insights into the roles and responsibilities in risk management as outlined by ISO 31000. If you have any questions or would like to discuss further, please feel free to engage in the question and answer session. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.